Alright, y'all, it's the next day. We're currently at the Ramen Museum. So much food. It has ramen making classes. You can try ramen gift shop. You can pause it and read it if you want to. First bowl of ramen we had here was so delicious. I wish I took a video of it, but there's a spot where you just sit down, eat your food, and leave. So I wasn't trying to hold the line up or nothing, but it was very good. Must put a picture on the screen right now of my plate. A map of ramen. Gift shop. Magazines. Ramen magazines, I guess. Ramen article. Oh, can't wait to eat some.
Is it the museum?
Yeah. We gotta start the museum. This is a ramen cart. To make your own ramen and choose what you want in it. Custom. Is that octopus? Oh, it looks like an octopus. It's funny. I think this is how they make the noodles. Teaching a little boy how to make it. Okay, so we're going downstairs. Oh, nah, it's a vibe. Wow. Look at this, this is beautiful. It's like we in the streets. We in the street.
今日からご来店ありがとうございました。はい、お待たせしました。どうぞ。
My mic on, but I don't care because I didn't feel like putting it on. But look at this view, bro. Oh, they just turned the Ferris wheel on too. Little amusement park type of thing going on. We're gonna go into the Ferris wheel in a second. The city's beautiful. What part are we in? Yokohama. We're in Yokohama. Alright, we're currently approaching the, whatchamacallit. I'm gonna go up the stairs to get to the Ferris wheel. There's a roller coaster attached to it too, and people are on it, and then it goes down into that pool for the aesthetic and the intenseness of the ride. Oh, that's them. Doing a VR experience of the roller coaster. Well, I don't know if it's the roller coaster, but it's pretty cool. Alright, y'all, I fumbled when we were at the top because I was taking pictures and stuff, but
dang, you make me want to record too.
look at this. Just look at this view. This is beautiful. Japan is...
Okay, we are on the Ferris wheel in Yokohama, and check out the views. I was flicking it up, so missed the sunset, but
yeah,
still literally gorgeous. Such a beautiful city, so clean, so crisp. Kind of sad that, oh, there we go. Kind of sad that America's not really like this. Like, they have the attractions and stuff, but it's not like, I don't know, it's just different here.
it don't hit.
Yeah, it don't hit. Travis, what do you think?
I don't want to go home. That's all I can say.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, so we got off the, what was it? Off the Ferris wheel, and then we did a few, like a ride. We did a roller coaster, and that was it, right?
Yeah.
The ride in the roller coaster. So now we're eating, and then this is my plate right now. We got some long fried dumplings, got pot stickers, fried chicken. It focuses. I don't know. This is like some kimchi. I don't know what this is exactly. I'm thinking it's like pickled something. And this is a dessert, look like Jello. And this drink busts every time. This is what I had in Disney. One of the things that I had in Disney, but it's so good. It's like apple cider vinegar, but sparkling.
No.
What?
It's apple juice sparkling.
Apple juice sparkling?
Yes.
Well, it's called a big apple soda. Yeah, apple juice sparkling. Let's try the dumpling again. Mad good. I'll be back. Alright, so we just left my spot where I got my food, and we're in a sushi restaurant for Kristen. She was dying to have some sushi. What did you get so far?
So far, I got some pieces of nigiri with salmon, and then I also got this. I got this bluefin tuna platter, which I'm so excited for. And I don't know what else. Well, so I'm gonna start off with that and then go from there. But do you want to drink a bottle of sake with me?
Sure. You gotta have some sake. I never had sake. But I think the food comes through here. I could be wrong. I don't know. Yeah. So we'll get back to you on that when the food comes in a sec. Look, one's here already. That's not yours?
Where'd that come from?
It came down this way.
Oh my gosh!
There's nothing else yet.
Something else is coming?
No, not yet. Not that I see. No, that's crazy. Alright, she about to try her first one. This is the one with salmon?
Yeah, it's a salmon. But I don't like it. Dang, these chopsticks are
Tougher.
good quality.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
You gotta record the moment.
So this is my first time. My first time having sushi in Japan. I'm gonna cry, but I'm not gonna cry. Oops. I don't like the nigiri anyways. I like the salmon on its own.
Worth it.
A tear might just come out of my eye. Wow.
I don't know when the other stuff is coming, but we'll see. I'll try to having sake for the first time. I never had it. Well, Kristen's had it. I never had it.
Hi.
The trick?
What?
Can you carry it without spilling it?
Maybe. Hold on. Alright. Gotta get it on camera too. You know what I'm saying?
You're doing a boomerang?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm just recording. Cheers!
Wait, I didn't even record it yet.
Oh my god, Travis.
Fumble. Alright, ready? Okay. I got it. Alright, ready?
Yes.
That's good. Is this kind of like considered dry, basically?
It is dry.
Okay.
I don't know. Do you like dry?
I usually don't, but I could deal with this. But
The other categories
bad.
I'm not familiarized.
it
Or
was,
the whole Jozo.
it was this one we ordered.
Let me go back to my diagram.
Yep, but not bad at all. I'll drink it though.
It's fruity. That's
Yeah.
why I ordered it.
It's fruity. Yeah, it does taste like fruit.
Very aromatic.
Yep.
Thank you for being here, Travis.
Oh, of course, you know.
It's been a pleasure.
I had nothing better to do, to be honest.
Drink it. It's your birthday trip.
Yeah, exactly.
It's supposed to be mine, but it's yours. But it's mutual
We were
trip.
supposed to go to we were supposed to go for her birthday, but it was cheaper on my birthday, so now we're here. My birthday's on the 1st. That's a Thursday next week. Yeah, Thursday next week.
Yeah, next week.
I didn't even realize
Bro,
it.
isn't that crazy? You don't even know it's your birthday.
That is crazy. I just missed it, but it just arrived. Look at all of that. Hold on, let me lower the. Looks good though, I ain't gonna lie. So what is what?
These are all tunas.
Wow. Looks good.
OMG.